Obviously, there's no 100 way to validate a product before you test it. You need to test it and find out how the market responds. Just because product research software says it's good, or just because you see somebody else succeeding with it, does not mean it's a winning product for you or for me. They might have different shipping, better margins where they can afford to maybe spend more on ads, or offer a lower price because they have a better deal set up with the company or a 3PL. Or something might have even changed since they launched it, making it tougher to launch right now that we're not aware of. You always need to test for yourself to actually see. That said, here's how you can validate product ideas the most you possibly can without testing. Step one is an AliExpress deep dive. So first head to AliExpress and search main keywords to find similar listings. Chances are you'll find that exact product, if not something super similar. Check the number of orders and the reviews that these products have if you can find them. If it has listings with lots of reviews, then that's a solid sign that there's at least demand, and that's a good thing. Read through the reviews, read through the customer insights on them, and if you find glowing comments and pictures, then you're on the right track. Now make sure that it has good reviews. You don't want to start a product that already has tons of unhappy customers. Trust me, you don't want that headache. Only go after products that people already like. Step two is market research on the actual platforms that you plan on selling this on, right? So explore ad spy tools for Facebook and TikTok, or wherever you specifically plan on selling it for. You can use a paid software. We'll cover more on this later. Or you can use free ad libraries that are available to everyone. You can use the Meta Transparency Center, which is basically the ad library for Meta and Facebook, to see ads that people are currently running and to what specific products and what specific landing pages. It's all public now. And you can also see their product images, their copy, their landing pages, which can help tremendously when you're trying to scale your own product. You can model what's working for other people, but it also helps you provide insights to see if there's companies actually out there running ads to this product right now, and if they've been doing it for a while, because chances are if somebody's been running an ad for a while, it's working for them, right? They wouldn't be continuously spending money if it wasn't bringing back a positive ROI. And so that's one of the biggest indicators that you can see that it's working and that you might want to go after a product like that. You can also use the TikTok ad library as well. It's the same exact thing for TikTok. Both work great. Now, are other stores selling this product successfully? If they are, then obviously you're onto something, but you want to check out their ads, check out their engagement, dive a little bit deeper into their websites, like I said, and validate their actual funnel and offer. What's their pricing? These are all things that you should be looking at to understand before actually testing and launching your own product. Now, step three is Amazon analysis. And believe it or not, some people are wary in the beginning of finding their specific product on Amazon because they think that other people are going to be able to deliver it to customers a lot faster and they're not going to be able to compete. But it's actually a good sign and a benefit, in my opinion. It indicates a massive demand. Look for your product on Amazon or other products similar. Read what customers are saying and absorb it. This gives you ad angles, website ideas, ways to improve upon the current design in the future, and much more insight. Now, step four is Google Trends, and this is definitely something that you're going to want to look at because it's going to indicate demand not just in the past, but also currently, and whether it's been consistently staying roughly the same or even increasing, which is obviously a good sign as well. A rising trend score for your product means that it's gaining interest. Make sure that it didn't die off completely a few months ago or 6 months ago, and it was only a good product in the past. If that's the case, don't sell it. Now, if your product checks all four of these boxes, right? Demand on AliExpress, success in existing ads on either TikTok or Facebook, presence on Amazon, and a rising trend on Google, then you've likely found a winner. And at that point, you want to test it because you could be on your way to finding your first successful product.